welcome back for another vlog, and for today I have so many exciting things to share with you that I enjoy to do, and I think you're going to have fun with that as well. But before we dive in, I want to share with you that I love. So I have this string light. It starts from the kitchen and it goes all the way to the end of the hall. This one actually quite makes me happy. I don't know what's with the string lights, but they elevate the mood. So if you wanna cheer up, and during this time when we have to stay home so much, this string lights totally will make you happy. I promise that. You just have to try it. But it's really, especially at night, even during the days when we have clouds, it's a very nice additional light. But at night, it has a different atmosphere to the whole entire house. Don't fall. Okay. That's good. I want to show you. Okay, I want to show you guys something. So you remember I love the yogurts with the lid, and I kept a few jars, and I told you that I have a friend who wants a few of those, and in return I've got some jars from her, and this is a yogurt. So it was a yogurt in there, and it's just a very tricky to take off this label, but I did it with a lemon oil. If you soak it with lemon oil, it works so nicely. And check out how it turned out. I just love it. I love it. I love the cream. It gives a finished look for this little jar, so I can organize some makeup things with that, or even my pencils too. But it's just very cute if you cut a little bit of a greenery. Okay, but now I'm going to start this very exciting project. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so much fun. Ooh, wow, my goodness, it smells so good. Come here, come on. Let me help you. Check this out, guys. The smell is beyond. I can't even tell you how good the smell. This is bee wax. This is something I can make a candle. I just have to roll it up, and I can do all kinds of crafts with this. I'm going to share a little bit more what I'm planning to do with that, but I really wish you guys would feel the smell. I mean, it's just heavenly. So anyway, what I'm going to do with that today, I am going to make a candle. Oh my goodness, you guys, I really wish you could feel the smell. Big part of my self-care routine is to find some kind of project that is far away from any kind of technology, and something that is hands-on, and it just keeps me focused. And once you start to focus on something that you do, that helps with all kinds of anxiety, and it's just really a fun thing to do, especially if something that I will enjoy on the long term. And I was really just having fun to make these candles, but also I know my friends will love this present, and my family will enjoy it just as much as I do. I really love to work with all kinds of all-natural things, but this candle was so special to me because of the smell, and it was so soft. It's just really soothing. Okay, to put the candle in, I decided I'm gonna go with this cute jar. So if I take that part off, it has a lots of glue on it, so this is something it needs to be taken care of, but I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, that did come up pretty good, but as you can see, still there's so many sticky parts, like it just completely sticks there. I'm going to use this lemon oil and I'm just going to rub it on it and let it sit, but it is completely dissolves all these gooey things from the jar. There you go. So I'm going to wash this off now. Okay, it's all washed off, so I'm just going to wipe it. And the reason I'm really excited about these kind of type of projects, because this is something that we use anyway, but now I can actually add an extra quality to it. We can use something that I made. So as you can see, it's super shiny clean. And now for the candle, slightly I'm going to mat the bottom part of this candle, and then it will stick to the bottom. So it is super sturdy, as you can see, and it looks amazing. Guys, this has such a warm color, and the smell, I wish you could feel it. It's so nice. It's just very calming and it's just very soothing. I have to tell you, I have a new addiction now to make candles. But as you can tell, it was very easy to make, and I can see a lot of other projects with this. But for now, I'm going to do something else. Okay, this soap is super clean. So I did more research and I find this one. It has only organic ingredients. So this is the soap that I made recently, and it has a yellowish color because I added some essential oil. It was a tangerine one, and it has some color, and I put some dried flowers in there, and I mixed with the other one. I made another one. This is really cute. So this is for the boys. So this is another soap, but this is the same base than this one. So we are so fun to make, and I think next time I'm going to add some color. The smell is amazing, especially the Good Mood one. I really like this one, but I'm going to rethink the decoration on it. I think it's really fun, but I think lots of pieces will be in the sink. I just really love how they look. I think I'm going to have a lot of fun with this beeswax around Christmas time, but I couldn't resist. I had to try one of my idea, and I'm thinking it would be nice to use and just put it into a muffin that I make, or just to decorate some kind of food. And what I really love that I was able to get away, just use wood and beeswax. It stick together. For next, I had some sage from my garden and I just dried it for a few days, and it was time to crush it and then put it into a jar. Since I realized how sticky this bee wax, I wanted to try out something and it worked. I used this as a tag on my jar. And if you are like me, if you go for a walk, you always gather some treasures. And I don't know, I have never seen this before. Check this out, guys. This is so cute. I can imagine this one on a package if I wrapping up a Christmas gift or anything. It's just such a cute, or even just for a wreath. It's a very nice decoration, and I think it's a pine cone. It just looks so interesting and I just really love it. So while George is making some things on the barbecue, I decided I wanted to have some soup, and I don't really know how to call it. I went to the Asian store and I just got a bunch of good stuff there. My friend recommended that, and it has only fish in there and some dried mushroom. So basically it's a soup base, and after it's done, I can take out that little bag and it will have an amazing taste. I think it's gonna expire very fast, that's why it was on sale. I don't know, but I think I like the idea to drop one or two of that into the soup.